Hello students, we will continue our previous topic, trigonometric functions. Now we will see the general solutions. The question is, find the general solutions of the following trigonometric function. I have written the question here, 4 cos square theta equal to 3. What is the question? Find the general solution of this quadratic equation. Okay, 4 cos square theta equal to 3. From this we can write 4 cos square theta equal to, from this we can write cos square theta equal to 3 upon 4, cross multiplication. Therefore, this can be written as cos square theta equal to 3 by 4 we can write root 3 upon 2 square. Cos square root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4. Now for which angle cos theta is root 3 by 2? From the table we can write the value of cos theta. We know that cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. 30 degree means pi by 6. So this can be written as cos square theta equal to cos pi by 3 square. Cos 60, it is 30 degree. Cos pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos pi by 6 square. So this can be written as cos square theta. Cos pi by 6 the whole square means क्या आएगा यहाँ पर cos square pi by 6. And now use the formula. Which formula is applicable here? By using cos square theta equal to cos square alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha and n belongs to z. Now here theta is same cos square theta, cos square alpha is cos square pi by 6. Actually alpha is equal to pi by 6. Simply substitute the value of alpha here. So we will get theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha is pi by 6. So and n belongs to z, which is required general solution. Which is required general solution of the given trigonometric equation. You understand? Okay, now we take the next sum. 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. So next one, 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. Question is, find the general solution of this trigonometric equation. Now from this we can write sin square theta is equal to 1 upon 4. Write down 1 upon 4 in the square form. कैसे लिखेंगे इसको? sin square theta equal to 1 upon 2 का square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Now for which angle sin theta is half? We know that sin 30 degree is half. Sin pi by 6 is half. So this can be written as sin square theta equal to sin pi by 6 whole square. Sin pi by 6 whole square means sin square pi by 6. So this can be written as sin square theta equal to sin square pi by 6. And now use the formula. By using sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, क्या formula है? By using sin square theta equal to sin square alpha implies same है, theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha, n belongs to z. Sin square theta same, sin square alpha is sin square pi by 6. Therefore alpha is equal to pi by 6. Substitute the value of alpha only. So theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 6. You can take pi common, otherwise keep as it is, which is required general solution. Which is required general solution of of the given trigonometric equation. Okay, now we'll see the next one. Cos 4 theta equal to cos 2 theta. We have to find the general solution of this trigonometric equation. Cos 4 theta equal to cos 2 theta. What will be the first step? Take cos 2 theta on left hand side. It becomes negative. So this becomes cos 4 theta minus cos 2 theta equal to 0. And now here use factorization formula by using factorization formula. Cos C minus cos D equal to minus 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D upon 2. What is C? C equal to 4 theta, D equal to 2 theta. So this becomes minus 2 sin C plus D, 4 theta plus 2 theta upon 2 into sin C minus D, 4 theta minus 2 theta upon 2 equal to 0. Okay, this is minus 2. Now simplification. 4 theta plus 2 theta is 6 theta. 6 theta upon 2, 3 theta. Sin 3 theta into sin 4 theta minus 2 theta is 2 theta. 2 theta upon 2 is theta. It means the remaining theta only. Sin theta equal to 0 upon this minus 2. 0 upon any positive negative numbers is 0. So this becomes sin 3 theta into sin theta equal to 0. Product of these two terms is 0, means first one is 0 or second one is 0. From this we can write sin 3 theta equal to 0 or sin theta equal to 0. Now which formula is applicable here? By using sin theta equal to 0 implies theta equal to n pi, n belongs to z. So in this case sin theta equal to 0, here theta is equal to 3 theta. Therefore 3 theta is equal to n pi. From this we can write theta is equal to n pi upon 3, n belongs to z. You will get the first solution. Now secondly, sin theta equal to 0, therefore theta is equal to n pi, n belongs to z. This is the second solution. Our required general solution of trigonometric equation. Okay, here we get the two solutions, therefore which are the required solutions of the given trigonometric equation. Okay, now we take the next one. Take the next one, that is tan cube theta equal to 3 tan theta. Tan cube theta is equal to 3 tan theta. Okay, question is say find the general solution of this trigonometric equation. Okay, take 3 tan theta left hand side, it becomes negative. So it becomes tan cube theta minus 3 tan theta equal to 0. Now what is common here? Tan theta is common. So take tan theta common. Tan theta common ले तो ब्रैकेट में क्या आएगा? Tan theta common ले तो ब्रैकेट में आएगा tan square theta minus 3. Now see here, product of these two terms is 0. It means either tan theta equal to 0 or this bracket is equal to 0. So from this we can write tan theta equal to 0 or tan square theta minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, tan square theta minus 3 equal to 0. From this we can write tan square theta equal to 3. 3 we can write in the square form. Tan square theta equal to root 3 square. Root 3 square is 3. Okay, for which angle tan theta is root 3? Tan square theta equal to We know that tan pi by 3 is root 3. Tan 60 degrees is root 3. So it is tan square pi by 3. Tan square theta equal to tan square pi by 3. Now use the formula. Which formula is applicable here? By using tan square theta equal to tan square alpha. Implies theta equal to n pi plus minus alpha, n belongs to z. Theta is same, alpha is pi by 3. Therefore, theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3, n belongs to z. Is the required general solution for the first second case. Now here, tan theta equal to 0. Which formula is applicable here? By using tan theta equal to 0 implies which formula? Theta is equal to n pi, n belongs to z. Theta is same, therefore theta is equal to n pi, n belongs to z. Is required general solution. So we will get the two general solutions. Theta is equal to either n pi or theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. Okay. Okay. The next sum. Sin theta equal to tan theta. We have to find the general solution of this trigonometric equation. Okay, what will be the first step? Take tan theta on left hand side. So this becomes sin theta equal to minus tan theta equal to 0. Now sin theta minus tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta equal to 0. Okay, multiply by cos theta. Multiply by cos theta. So it becomes sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. 0 into cos theta is 0. Now take sin theta common. Sin theta common, in bracket we will get cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. दोनों जगह से sin theta कॉमन लिया, ब्रैकेट में रहेगा cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. Product of these two terms is 0, it means sin theta equal to 0 or cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So from this we can write sin theta equal to 0 or cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, sin theta equal to 0 by using which formula is using here? Sin theta equal to 0 implies theta is equal to n pi. Theta is same here, 0 is same here, therefore theta equal to n pi, n belongs to z. This is the first solution. Now cos theta equal to cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. From this we can write cos theta equal to 1. For which angle cos theta is 1? We know that cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. And now here use the formula cos theta equal to cos alpha. By using cos theta equal to cos alpha implies theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, n belongs to z. What is theta? Same. Theta is same. Alpha is 0. 2n pi plus minus 0, n belongs to z. Therefore, theta is equal to, from this we can write theta is equal to n pi or theta is equal to 2n pi, n belongs to z, which are the required general solution of trigonometric equation. Generate, you understand? Okay? Any problem? No? See.